हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ कुछ सम्स रिलेटेड टू द चैप्टर लाइंस एंड एंगल्स ऑफ द 7th स्टैंडर्ड। सो उसमें मैंने पहले ही उसकी इंट्रोडक्शन एंड उसके सम्स के सोल्यूशन के रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाई हैं। ठीक है, तो पहले मैंने कुछ सम्स सॉल्व किए थे जब वो एंगल्स रेशो की फॉर्म में दिए हैं। तो बाय टेकिंग द कॉमन मल्टीपल आई हैव सॉल्व्ड सम सम्स। ठीक है, तो उसका एक और मेथड भी होता है। इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग कॉमन मल्टीपल, ठीक है, वी कैन यूज दो सम्स इन एन अदर वे। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट मेथड हियर। सो see the sums. If the complementary angles, this is a 15th sum. Okay, I have already told you I am using this book Selena publication ICSE. ठीक है, 16th chapter, this 15th sum 16a, 15th sum is here. If two complementary angles are in ratio 1:5, find them. Okay. So we know that sum of the complementary angles is 90 degree. Okay. Solution: sum of complementary angles is 90 degree and their ratio is given by 1:5. Okay. Instead of taking the common multiple, I am going to use the results of ratio to get the required result. Okay. So ratio is 1:5. What would be the sum of values in the ratio? Sum of values in the ratio is 1 plus 5. Sum of the values in the ratio 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. ठीक है, what does that find? Two angles. ठीक है, if two angles are in the ratio this, ठीक है, two values in the ratio are given, means we need to find those two angles. So first angle, to find the first value angle, write the first value from the ratio 1 upon sum of the values in the ratio 6, okay, into total sum of the angles, that is 90 degree. Okay, it will be equal to 15 degree. Okay, what would be the second angle? To find the second angle, we will use the second value of the ratio, that is 5 upon sum of the values in the ratio 6 into total sum, that is given by 90 degree. Okay, 15, it will be equal to 75 degree. Okay, same sum in the previous video I have solved by using the common multiple. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने सीधे रेशियो के रिजल्ट्स यूज करते हुए दो एंगल्स निकाल दिए। ठीक है, दोनों मेथड में से जो आपको अच्छा लगे वो आप फॉलो कर सकते हो। ओके, आई होप दिस सम इज क्लियर टू यू। नाउ सी द सेकंड वन। This is 16th sum. 16th sum. If two supplementary angles are in the ratio 2:7, find that. Okay, so we know that sum of the supplementary angles is 180 degree. Solution: because sum of supplementary angles is 180 degree. Okay. Ratio of angles is given by 2:7. Okay. Sum of values in the ratio two values are there under ratio 2 and 7. Add them. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Okay. So what will be the first angle? Similarly, as we have done the previous sum. Okay. For the first angle, I am going to use first value of the ratio. Then what is the sum of values of the ratio into total sum of the angles. Okay. It will be equal to 20 degree. 20 degree into 2, 40 degree. Okay. For the second angle, use the second value in the ratio, that is 7, sum of the values in the ratio and total sum of the angles. 20 degree, 7 into 20 degree, it will be equal to 140 degree. This much only. Very simple, na? Okay. I hope this sum is clear to you. Okay. Now see the next one. If 3 angles 17 sum 3 angles which add up to 180 degree are in the ratio 2:3:7. Find them. Okay. So which add up to 120 means sum of all of these 3 angles. Okay. Sum of angles is given by 180 degree. The ratio of angles is given by 2:3:7 and sum of values in the ratio. Okay. Add up all the values in the ratio 2 plus 3 plus 7. 2 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay. So what will be the first angle? Use the first value of the ratio 2 upon sum of the values in the ratio into total sum of the angles. Okay. degree. Okay. 2 into 15 degree is equal to 30 degree. Second angle, use the second value of the ratio upon sum of the values in the ratio into total sum of the angles. 15, 3 into 15, 45 degree. Third angle, third value of the ratio, sum of the value, total sum of the angles. 7 into 15 degree is equal to 105 degree. Okay. I hope this method is clear to you. Okay. So जो आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गया वो वाला मेथड आप फॉलो कर सकते हो. कॉमन मल्टीपल लेने वाला और सीधे ही एंगल्स को फाइंड आउट करना है बाय यूजिंग द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द रेशियो. वो था रोटे. होप whatever I have explained today is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.